wondered why it had to be so poisonous. Oleanders can live through anything. They can stand heat, drought, neglect, and put out thousands of blooms. So what did they need poison for? Yes, we talk about the oleander or the Canary tree today. Canary is an evergreen tropical shrub or small tree. Its leaves are willow-like, linear lanceolate and glossy green in color. They are covered in a waxy coating to reduce water loss. Its stem is green, turning silvery grey as it ages. The maximum height that these plants can reach is about 10 feet. They blossom best in summers in North India. It requires heavy watering initially, but once settled, can flower in droughts as well. These make popular roadside plants and hedges. It's a rare plant with medicinal flowers and poisonous too. The scientific name of Canary is Cascabella thivitia. All parts of the Canary plant are toxic to humans, pets and livestock, but a few bird species feed on them. The plant is poisonous because it contains glycosides, chemicals that can affect the heart rate and slow the heart rate. So grow them only if you can manage them. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.